So now we have to find out the maximum distance in the vertical direction. So we have to find out equation for y max. So consider the same projectile motion having the initial velocity v naught and the angle of projection theta. So with this velocity, object will cover the maximum distance. So consider this point as a B, and this is the y max value. So resolve the velocity. So this is v naught sine theta. So to find out the y max value, only consider the vertical motion. So if you consider the vertical motion from point A to B, so we consider the motion from A to B. So to travel from A to B, the displacement, this is equal to y max. Then time taken, this is equal to t second. Then velocity, that is the initial velocity, this is equal to v naught sine theta. And at the highest point, if you find out the component in the vertical direction, so this component will be 0. Because at the highest point, velocity becomes 0, and then particle starts the motion in the downward direction. Okay. So final velocity at point B, this is equal to 0. And acceleration, this is equal to minus 9.81 meter per second square, or we can take the value as a g. Okay. So use the equation by considering this parameter. So use equation v square is equal to u square plus 2as, because we don't know any information about the time value. Okay. We have the displacement, then we know the initial velocity, and we know the final velocity. So v square, this value is 0. So this is equal to u square, that is the initial velocity. So it is equal to v naught sine theta bracket square minus 2 into, so just put the value g, into displacement, that is equal to y max. So from this equation, we get v naught square sine square theta. So this is equal to 2g into y max. So y max is equal to, this is v naught square sine square theta upon 2g. So this is the equation for the maximum displacement in the y direction. So y max is equal to v naught square sine square theta upon 2g. So if you know the initial velocity of projection, that is a v naught, and if the angle of projection is given, then we can find out the maximum displacement by using this formula. Okay. Okay, so refer this problem. So in this problem, a long range gun is aimed to hit the target at point B, knowing that the gun can fire the shell at the speed 360 meter per second. So this is the velocity of projection, that is a v naught. Determine angle of inclination theta of the barrel so that the shell can hit the target and neglect the height of the gun. Okay. So here one shell is fired from this military tank, and this is the barrel of that tank. So barrel is having some inclination theta. Okay. And the shell is fired with the velocity v naught, that is equal to 360 meter per second. So requirement is, we want to hit the target, which is at point B, and its distance is 3000 meter in the horizontal direction, and 1000 meter in the vertical direction. Okay, so we need to set the proper angle theta so that we can hit the target. So we have to find out the theta value. Okay, so for that we will consider the projectile motion from A to B. So consider the motion A to B. So consider starting point. This is the gun barrel. Okay, so this V0, and this is the path of that projectile, and this is the target. So this is the point B. So consider this point A. This angle is theta. So this horizontal distance, so this is given as a 3000 meter, and this vertical distance, this is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so we will consider the motion A to B, and we will divide this motion into horizontal motion and vertical motion. So for the horizontal motion, we have the initial velocity that is equal to final velocity, and that is equal to V0 cos theta. Okay, so V0, this value, this is equal to 360 meter per second. So this is the X component and this is Y component. So this is V0 sin theta. So this V0 cos theta, that is equal to 360 cos theta. So we don't know what is the value of theta. Then time taken to cover the distance AB in the horizontal direction. So this is equal to T second. And the horizontal distance, so S is equal to 3000 meter. That is equal to 3 kilometer. Okay. So from this, we can write the equation as S is equal to ut, because acceleration is 0. So remaining term will be 0. So we will get this T is equal to displacement is 3000 upon initial velocity is V0, that is 360 cos theta. Okay. Now consider the vertical motion. So for the vertical motion, initial velocity in the y direction, that is equal to 360 sin theta. Then displacement, that is equal to 1000 meter. Then time taken will be same for horizontal motion and for vertical motion from point A to B. So it is T second only. Acceleration is minus 9.81. So we can use displacement, that is S is equal to ut plus half AT square. So we have S is equal to 1000. Then initial velocity is 360 sin theta into time t minus 1/2, 9.81 into t square. Okay. Now from the first equation, we have the value for t. So t is equal to 3000 upon 360 cos of theta. So put this value in this equation. So we will get 1000 is equal to 360 sin theta into 3000 divided by 360 cos theta minus 1/2. This is 9.81. 3000 upon 360 cos theta bracket square. Okay, so now try to simplify this equation. So we will get 1000 is equal to, so you can cancel out this 360. So remaining value here, this is 3000 into sin upon cos, that is a tan theta, minus So 9.81 by 2. So this will become 4.905 divided by, so 3000 upon 360. So this is 8.33 bracket square. So that is 69.44 and 1 upon cos square theta. Okay. So this total value is 341 and 1 upon cos square theta. So it will become sec square theta. Now use the identity for a sec square theta, that is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So put this value here. So complete equation, it will be a quadratic equation in terms of tan. So this is equal to 3000 tan theta minus 341 into bracket 1 plus tan square theta. So simplify this equation. So finally, you will get the equation 341 tan square theta minus 3000 tan theta plus 1341, that is equal to 0. Okay. So this is basically a quadratic equation in terms of tan. So you can substitute this value. So put tan theta is equal to x. So tan square, it will become x square. So you will get the equation 341 x square minus 3000 x plus 1341 equal to 0. Okay. So solve this in the equation mode in your calculator and get the value of x. So you will get the first value x is equal to 8.325 and second value x is equal to 0.4724. So basically x means what? We have assumed as a tan theta. So tan theta first value is 8.325 and second value for tan theta, that is equal to 0.4724. Okay. So from this we will get the first angle theta is equal to 83.54 degree and second angle theta, it is equal to 25.28 degree. That means if you set the angle for that gun, theta is equal to 83.54 degree, then we can hit this target, or we can set second angle as a 25.28 degree. For both this angle, we can hit the target. Okay. So this is your final answer.